Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about three prepositions. Similar spelling cause confusion all the time. For, of, and from. When do we use them? Want some examples? Let's see some. Let's start with for. We use for to show purpose, why something exists. Benefit, who gets something. Time duration, how long something happens. For example, this gift is for you. Who benefits? You do. I'm studying English for my job. Purpose, why are we studying? We've lived here for 7 years. Time, how long? Quick tip, think of for equaling, helping, or giving something to someone or something. Of. Now let's talk about of. We use of to show possession or belonging, parts of a whole, description or identity. For example, a piece of cake. Another idiom, did you see what I did? Part of a whole cake. A piece of cake. The color of the sky is blue. What color belongs to the sky? Blue. He is a friend of mine. Possession, my friend. Remember, a tip of belonging or related to something. The third example, from. Let's look at from. We use from to show origin or source, where something starts. Separation, moving away. Material, what something is made of. Examples. I'm from Thailand. Origin, where are you from? She took the book from the table. Separation, where did she take it? This ring is made from gold. Material. Quick tip, from equals a starting point, origin, or source. Let's compare for, of, and from with some similar sentences. This letter is for you. It's meant to help give to you. The title of this book is interesting. It belongs to the book. I got a postcard from my friend. It came from my friend, the source. In summary, for, purpose, benefit, time. I made this for you. Of, belonging, parts, identity. A glass of water. From, origin, source, material. She's from Japan. Quiz time! Time to test the skills we've just learned. Complete the sentences. I'm going to put 6 sentences on the board. Here they are here. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to choose the correct form. For, of, from. Let's look at the answers. He's a student from China. This is a photo of my family. I bought flowers for my mother. Always buy your mother flowers. Most important woman in your life. We waited for 2 hours. That's the cover of the magazine. these cookies are for you. Final tip. 4. Purpose or benefit. Of, belonging or part. From, origin or source. So that's the end of our video today. We talked about for, of, and from. Do you understand it better? Is it clearer? Can you use them correct now? Of course you can. But as with everything, English language related, practice, practice, practice. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you had fun. Please comment, like, subscribe, all of that stuff helps. And I love to read your messages. If you have a suggestion, a grammar point, or a topic of vocabulary you would like me to make a video on, pop it in the comment down below. Let me know. I'll make a video for you. So until next time, guys, stay safe. I'll see you later.